intro, and it's going to be Toastmaster Shalini, Time and Love, Toastmaster Shalini. Okay, Toastmaster Shalini, Time and Love, Toastmaster Shalini.
There are two things that money can't buy: time and love. And these are the two things that King Zealous was after. He wanted to control time, to go back in it and set things right. And he wanted to control love, to make people fall in love with him, and to love him as much as he wanted. After all, he was a king. Contest chair, fellow Toastmasters and guests. What kind of a person wants to control time and love? Someone who's made a lot of mistakes, and someone who's definitely not loved. But this is not something that he understood. He ordered his men to go around the kingdom and look for the cleverest of witches and the brightest of sorcerers to give him this gift, to give him his wish, and in return he would shower them with riches and gold coins. His men went far and wide, kept looking for days and days. They went on quests, but they could not find anybody. The king did not lose hope. He said, okay, if it doesn't exist, I will create it. He told his men to get a scientist, the brightest scientist of the world, who would make a time machine for him. He told them to get a witch, who would brew a love potion for him. And then he would have his heart's desire, to go back in time and to control love. All of this went on for quite some time, but nothing materialized. The king did not get his way, he did not get what he wanted. So he announced it to the entire kingdom. Whoever gets this to me will get whatever his heart desires. Somewhere in a village far, far away, an old man got to know about it. This old man had tremendous powers, but he never used them. The reason, none of us knew. So this old man thought, why don't I go to the king and make a request? He started his journey and traveled for days altogether. He finally ran into the king's messenger and said, I have what your majesty desires. The messenger took the old man to the king. The old man stood in King Zealous's court and said, Your Majesty, I can bestow you with the power to control time and love, but I have a request in return. I want to be made king, and you will live as a commoner. The king said, What? Are you out of your mind? Give up my kingdom for your gift? And the old man said, Isn't this what you want the most? Give me your kingdom and I will give you the gift. The king thought about it. Evil as he was, he thought of a devious plan. He said, Let me take the gift from him and then I will imprison him. The old man said to him, Remember, king, once I give you this gift, I cannot take it back. The king was even happier. The king said, Okay, I'll give you my kingdom. Give me your gift. The old man gave him the gift to control time and love. The king was the happiest. He tested it. He went back in time to the day that his father was dying. He was out on a quest that day, but he wanted to be by his father's side. He reached his father on his deathbed, and his father said, You will not be a good king, but I don't have a choice. The king was deeply angered by it. Why does my father think that I will not be able to lead his kingdom? The king went back to reality and imprisoned the man. And then he started acquiring all the land that he could. He went back in time and refought the battles, changed his tricks and tips, and he won a lot of land. His people loved him, everyone admired him, and years passed by. But the old man in that cell knew that the king will come back to him. The king won so much of land, but one thing he did not realize, he did not even have the resources to take care of his people. And despite the fact that they loved him so much, slowly and steadily, they started losing respect for him. Respect and belief are beyond love, and even if you love somebody, you might not always respect or believe in them. His son grew up, and there was an uproar in the kingdom, and the king was overthrown. Nobody loved him anymore. The king was sad, depressed. He went to the old man who was dying in the cellar, and he asked him, "What did I do wrong? Where did I go wrong?" The old man told him, "There was a reason that I told you to step down. That was not because I wanted the kingdom. It was because you should have lived as a commoner with these two gifts. As a king, you have power, you have fame, and you have money. If you have time and love, you will use time and love only to multiply these things, because you will never think beyond these things." The old man left the king with these words, "My dear king, with time, love grows. And once you love something or someone, only then you make time for it." Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shalini. Now we'll have